Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We're here at our customer's home today where we've installed two of our Majestec invisible security screen doors. One here on the front we'll point out. This is our invisible security screen door. You can see it looks much like a regular screen door. You can still see their nice entry door straight through our mesh. But if we take a closer look, this is our high purity 316 marine grade stainless steel security mesh, which cannot be cut with a knife. It can't be broken out of its frame or forced out. One thing we always like to point out too on our doors, all of our doors come with a 3-point locking system. So not only does it lock in the center at the deadbolt, we also have a large upper and lower hook which come out of the door and lock into its own subframe down the entire side, preventing somebody from trying to pry the door open. The visibility from in your home looking outward is excellent, phenomenal as well. You can see this little bit looking through it to the door is great, but looking outside you don't feel trapped inside your home behind bars. Your living space feels nice, bright, and airy. Again, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We also have our product for every opening on a home: windows, sliding patio doors, double French doors. If you ever have any questions, you can give us a call toll free at 855-MAJESTEC or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. Thanks for joining us today. I'm sure we'll talk to you real soon.